We got a hair in the motherfucking food. It's not right. That's not motherfucking right.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Miss Hannah Lee, and welcome to our new series, Break My Munch, where we bring together different groups of people to dish up their best take on a cuisine. This series is all about my Jamaican. Each home chef has made 3 dishes for the other chefs. Dishes will be rated on taste, authenticity, and presentation out of 10. The person with the highest score wins. But the best chef gets to win this trophy. There's gonna be nothing but brutal honesty around here, guys. So with that being said, let the rating begin.
My name's Nia.
It's Nicola, or Nick's Kitchen, but Nicola, that's what everybody knows me as.
It's a Baby Lou Ray, aka Damali, aka Sancha.
Rundown, green banana, dumpling. Yeah, that's my dish.
I'd have to say ackee and saltfish, closely followed by corrigo, I'd say, definitely.
I'm very indecisive, so I don't have one, but I love all of the above. Jerk chicken, curry goat, ackee and saltfish, everything Jamaican.
Manish water, like without a doubt. If I go to a function and I get given manish water, and I know it's a traditional thing, but why is it a thing?
Anything to do with cow foot, tribe, manish water, anything like that, no, that's not for me.
Anything to do with foot. I don't like foot. So I don't like chicken foot, I don't like cow foot, I don't like pig's tail. No, nothing.
My TikTok got like 236 point something K on TikTok. I made curry goat in my kitchen, in my duchy. And yeah, like, so I think in comparison to everything I tasted today, I feel like mine would be on par, if not better. But I don't want to be that kind of person that brags about their own food before people don't try it in it. Otherwise that's embarrassing.
Okay, what do we have here? Okay. Right, we've got a bit of a surprise. Coleslaw. She tried to upstage us, but it's okay.
A bit of coleslaw here, if I knew we could do coleslaw as well. So.
Coleslaw, honestly, a bit too sweet for me. It's like a heap of sugars in it.
I'm not gonna judge the coleslaw because it's cheating.
Rice is nice and shelly, you know.
The rice is a little bit hard for me.
Flavours of the curry goat, not bad. Just a tad dry, just a little bit dry.
Okay, this corrigo is banging, number 1. I'm definitely liking the vibes here.
My pet peeve though is adding unnecessary things to curry goat. Carrots and miscellaneous things that don't need to be there. Like potato, we don't really need potato. Curry goat speaks for itself, you know. That potato was cold.
I can taste, obviously, curry, garlic. This is just correct. This is what I call corrigo. I'd say definitely this is what I'd call corrigo. The rice is a bit hard, but the actual corrigo itself.
I think that's it for me.
Taste, I'm gonna give the curry goat a 9 out of 10, only because this is how I would make mine. This is how mine hopefully tastes anyway. But yeah, definitely 10/10, flavours are all there, doesn't need anything more added to it. Like, I would cook mine like this and eat it like this as well, so that's why I'm giving it such a high score.
We'll give it a 7. A bit dry though, a little bit dry. Taste is quite nice, tastes like curry goat. Just, I would like more of the curry goat seasonings, like the garam masala, the Jamaican curry powder. I would have wanted a bit more of that.
Authenticity, I'd say at 8.5.
I give it a 6.5 for authenticity because I don't like carrots in curry goat.
This tastes like something my nan would cook, and she's straight from Jamaica, so definitely think the corrigo is nice.
I might not rank it as the highest ranking one that I'd necessarily want to taste when buying curry goat, but yeah, it's quite nice.
Presentation, I would give it a 7.
we'll score up for the presentation, so we'll go give it a 7 as well.
It was just like a nice little pretty plate. It was just, yeah, I mean, nothing special, but you know what I mean, looked good. I like the presentation. I'd be happy if I got it at a restaurant, so yeah.
It was quite pretty. It was quite pretty. Obviously, if I really want to be picky, I would say just clean up the little juices around the plate. That's it. But overall, pretty nice. It was cute. I think definitely the curry powder, don't mess it up. I think definitely not adding things that don't need to be there. Like, just keep it simple. Put your curry powder, put your onions and your garlic and your pimento seeds and cook it down and you'll be good. And it's good to pressure cook it because it just makes it nice and soft. And don't overcook it because then it's dry and in my teeth and we ain't got no toothpick. But yeah, so.
Thank you. Okay. Ew. Okay, so rice looks nice and shelly. What I'm looking at, if you know what shelly means, then you're a real Jamaican. So yeah, it's looks very good. I like the little parsley, it's so cute. What I'm not noticing though is there's no like carrot or potato, which you normally do see in curry goat if it's proper things really. But nevertheless, like, it might taste nice. It does look a bit oily when you're like, if you guys can see it a little bit, but it might taste nice. I'm whispering because I'm scared.
Different.
Good.
This is very fire as well, not gonna lie. Rice is softer. You see, I'm liking what's going on here.
Not much about this one.
The curry goat soft, it's not chewy, it tastes really good. I'm really happy with this one as well. I haven't tasted curry goat that tastes exactly like this before, but it doesn't make it nasty. It's just a different version. It's very nice though.
Yeah, so with that being said, the flavours are really nice, but I think it could have been done a little bit longer, like in a pressure cooker or something like that, because that took me 1,000 years to chew and swallow. But with that being said, the flavours are nice. I understand, you know, cooking these things is a long time and you do need all day to cook these kind of type of thing there, but that was long. I shouldn't have to be chewing for 10 years for that, but the flavours are really nice with this. And the rice is shelly, so.
The presentation, I say 7 out of 10, just nice and simple, you know what I mean? Presentable.
In terms of presentation, I will give this an 8. I think the presentation's really nice.
The only thing I'd change is not putting the curry on the plate, because when it settles, it separates, you can see the oil. That's the only thing I'd say, but apart from that, the presentation was really good.
Flavours, I'd give 7.5. Can I do 7.5? 7.5.
Taste out of 10, I'd say 7.5.
I would be giving it an 8 if it was a bit more tender, or she could have just cut it up in little smaller pieces.
I prefer mine more rich, but that's just me personally. This would be perfect for probably somebody else. It still tastes good though.
Authenticity, I'll give it an 8 for authenticity.
Authenticity, I'd say like a 7 out of 10. It's different. I haven't tasted curry goat like this, but as I said, it is still very nice.
Even without the potatoes, I'd still give it an 8. But personally, like, some people cook it without, some people do, but if it had gravy, the potatoes and everything, it would probably be a 10, and if it was soft.
flavours, has to have the right balance of curry. I know that sounds weird. A little bit of spice, but not too much. And then you have to have like your staple flavours like pimento. Need to be able to taste those kind of things coming through.
Thank you.
It's okay, moment.
Oh, it smells nice. Okay, first impressions. Presentation. Like, this looks like... Yeah, I like meat on top of my rice. But it's also giving me like, I don't know, like Mediterranean vibes. Like, you know when you go to Morocco and you put this in a tagine and you open the thing and there's like rice and meat. So it does look really nice, even though it's Jamaican thing, but it looks nice. I see the cultural influences here.
This is very scary looking. There's a whole Scotch bonnet in this, guys. This is willing to kill people.
Scotch bonnet on top, I'm guessing that's just there for presentation, but it looked like it cook.
Okay, it smells quite nice. Aromas. Gotta make sure my nose ain't playing tricks on me.
Flavour and smell, I'm getting a lot of curry, pimento, and I think I can see potato and carrot. So yeah, let's go in for a taste. Rice looks shelly as well, and I'm loving this parsley thing. Yeah, rice is good. Let me taste the rice without the curry first, because if you don't season up your rice, then what's the point? She seasoned her rice. Rice is good. I can see she added thyme. Maybe pepper. That's nice.
Meat is quite soft. Not bad. Blood pressure. High blood pressure. Rice is nice. But the meat is a little bit soft. Jesus Christ.
Let me go for this one. Come on. You've seen this less time chewing, guys. Take note. This is a bit sour though. Not gonna lie. After having that big bit, it is a bit salty. For me, anyways. But I can see the thyme still in here. You got a bit of potato in here that's mashed out, so it's got a good consistency. Pimento, you got everything in here. So flavor-wise, this is on par with probably the first one, I'd definitely say. I think salt-wise is what lets this one down.
Guys, we have an issue. I don't mean to do this. Oh God. We got a hair. It's not right. That's not motherfucking right. I'm sorry. I love you. But guys, this is no for me. It's a no for me. I do not want hair and curry goat. I don't think that was an added ingredient. Guys, I'm bad. I'm sad now. I'm sad.
I'll give it an 8, and that's me forgetting about the saltiness.
The taste, I'll give it a 6. The flavours was there, but it was just a little bit too salty.
Presentation, I would give it an 8.
We'll rate this
An authenticity. Would I find this in yard? Yeah, definitely. The meat's soft, which is good. The rice is shelly, the rice is seasoned, because you could eat this white rice by yourself if you're one of them weirdos that eats white rice by itself.
authenticity, for the main fact that there's a pimento seed in it, we'll give it a 6.
Yeah, I don't think it's on par with mine, but that's me just being confident. But these 2 curry goats I've tasted today are really, really nice. However, that first one, you saw the trials and tribulations I did to swallow that. Thank you so much for having me.
It's a tight one for today's Curry Goat episode, guys. In second place, we have Nick's Kitchen with a score of 13.2. And that means in joint first place, we have Damali and Nia with a score of 15. With that all being said, let's see if Nix is able to bring it back in the next episode.